Hello dear student, we are studying JEE MCQ and today's question is the coefficient of discharge, velocity and contraction, that is CD, CV and CC are related as option givens. Option A, CD equals to CC minus CV. Option B, CD equals to CC by CV. C, CD equals to CC into CV, and D, CD equals to CC plus CV. The question asks the term coefficient of discharge, velocity and contraction how relates to each other. We have to find the correct answer for this relation. This question is asked in SSC JEE 2014, which is from fluid mechanics. So for this question, first we have to know the three coefficient. What is coefficient of discharge, coefficient of velocity and coefficient of contraction. So first we take the coefficient of velocity. What is coefficient of velocity? Coefficient of velocity is the ratio of actual velocity of jet at vena contracta to the theoretical velocity is called coefficient of velocity. That is CV equals to actual velocity of jet at vena contracta by theoretical velocity. In the simple way, we can say the coefficient of velocity is equals to actual velocity by theoretical velocity. That is CV equals to V by root over 2gh, where V equals to actual velocity and root over 2gh is equals to theoretical velocity. It is the coefficient of velocity. This ratio is called coefficient of velocity. Now the next coefficient is coefficient of contraction. So what is coefficient of contraction? It is the ratio of area of jet at vena contracta to the area of orifice is called coefficient of contraction. That is CC equals to area of jet at vena contracta by area of orifice, or we can say it is the ratio of actual area by theoretical area. CC equals to AC by A, where AC is area of jet at vena contracta and A equals to area of orifice. Now in the question, next coefficient is coefficient of discharge. So what is coefficient of discharge? Coefficient of discharge is actual discharge by theoretical discharge. In a simple form, it is the ratio of actual discharge to the theoretical discharge is called coefficient of discharge. That is CD equals to Q actual by Q theoretical. Discharge is equals to area into velocity, that is Q equals to A into V, where A equals to area of cross section and V equals to velocity of flow or velocity of fluid. So here CD will be in the CD we can write in another form CD equals to actual velocity by theoretical velocity into actual area by theoretical area, or CD equals to V actual by V theoretical into A actual by A theoretical. Now here the ratio of V actual by V theoretical is called coefficient of velocity, and the ratio of A actual by A theoretical is coefficient of contraction. So V actual by V theoretical is coefficient of velocity and A actual by A theoretical is coefficient of contraction. So CD equals to CV into CC. That is coefficient of discharge is equals to coefficient of velocity into coefficient of contraction. So the relation option C is correct. CD equals to CC into CV. The coefficient of discharge, velocity and contraction, that is CV comma CD and CC, are related as answer option C. CD equals to CC into CV. So today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.